Today we're diving into one of the most important elements of great storytelling, story arcs. Whether you're shooting weddings, corporate videos, documentaries, or even short films, mastering story arcs can transform your projects and take them to the next level. Okay, so what's a story arc? It's basically the shape of your story, the journey your audience takes as they watch your video. Every great video has a beginning, a middle, and an end. But when you break it down, there are specific arcs that can make your stories more engaging, emotional, and impactful. So let's start with the journey arc, or as I like to call it, the transformation arc. This is all about showing growth or change over time. It's perfect for weddings, right? You get to show the couple's journey from engagement to marriage, capturing those little moments of stress, excitement, and ultimately love on their big day. In a corporate video, it might be about showing how a company has grown or adapted over time. Think about it. It's more compelling than watching someone or something evolve. Next up is the underdog arc, where your subject overcomes huge challenges. We love a good underdog story, whether it's a small startup fighting to survive or a person overcoming impossible odds in a documentary. This arc is all about persistence and resilience. In corporate videos, you can capture a business rising from the ashes. Maybe they failed in their first product launch, but came back stronger, learning from their mistakes. Of course, we can't talk about story arcs without mentioning the love arc. This one's all about connection and relationship. And honestly, weddings are the perfect canvas for this. From the proposal to the wedding day, you get to show how love grows, faces obstacles, and overcomes. In documentaries, this arc can work beautifully by highlighting real-life love stories. It adds emotion and depth when you tell the journey of love over time. Now let's talk about the quest arc. Think of this like a mission. In corporate videos, this could be a team on a quest to hit a major goal, like launching a new product or expanding into a new market. You show the preparation, the struggles, finally the achievement. For documentaries, it's following someone on a literal journey, maybe climbing a mountain or even achieving something personal. The arc here builds anticipation as the subject overcomes challenges and reaches their destination. Here's one you don't see often, but it's super powerful when done right: the rise and fall arc. This arc starts with success and ends with a fall, whether it's a business, an individual, or even a relationship. It can be a cautionary tale, but it also adds drama. Corporate stories can really benefit from this too, especially when a company bounces back after a failure. You get to show their rise, the mistakes they made, and their path to redemption. Next is the circular arc. In this one, we start at a point and eventually come back to the same place, but in a new perspective. This works really well in weddings. Maybe you start the video showing the couple in their everyday life, then after the wedding, return to a similar moment, but now they've changed. In documentaries, it's all about showing how someone comes full circle, returning to their roots, but with newfound knowledge or experience. And then there's the hero's journey, one of the most classic arcs. It's all about leaving your comfort zone, facing challenges, returning transformed. In corporate videos, maybe it's a leader venturing into uncharted territory or a company stepping into a new market. For documentaries, it's great for following someone through personal growth or achievement, perfect for telling stories of personal or social change. Then there's the redemption arc, one of my favorites for documentaries. This is about someone who has made mistakes, but works hard to turn things around. It's raw, real, and emotional. Corporate videos can use this too, showing how a company bounced back from failure or bad decisions. In documentaries, redemption stories are all about the personal struggle and the path to recovery or success. Finally, we've got the slice of life arc. This one's all about those little moments, the beauty of everyday life. Weddings are full of these candid in-between moments. You know, the quiet smile the bride gives her mom, or the groom goofing around with his groomsmen before the ceremony. In documentaries, you can use this to show the real unfiltered moments that make life special. Each arc serves a unique purpose, and knowing when and how to apply them can be the difference between a good video and a video that truly resonates with your audience. Whether you're shooting a wedding, a corporate event, or a documentary, using the right story arc will elevate your work, making your storytelling more dynamic, memorable, and impactful. If you're ready to take your storytelling to the next level, start by experimenting with these arcs on your next project. What's your favorite story arc and how do you plan to use it? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your creative process. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insider tips on filmmaking and storytelling. If you want even more resources to help you become a better video creator, check the description for my free guide to mastering storytelling. Let's elevate your storytelling together. Thanks for watching.